Good morning, guys. Let me show you how we can look at price action as well as what whales are doing with their money to predict market reversals and what I expect to happen next in Bitcoin. Let's dive into this. Good morning, guys. Good morning, family. Hope you are doing well. Hope everybody slept really well. Guys, we're going to take today's video slow. I want to do an educational video. A lot of Trade Confident, we released this to our members last night. We want to turn this business into really an educational center to get you guys educated on how do you make the best qualified decisions to make really good decisions in any market phase. And so today, in this video, I want to teach you guys this. I've been using, I say this, behind the scenes, if you will. We have a scalping strategy, and we've done very well. We have not lost a scalping strategy, 381% higher than the S&P 500. Part of what we're going to be doing on this channel is actually, taking us away as the celebrity of saying, oh, look at what we've done, and actually just transition to show you guys all my secrets that I use in the market. And I actually want to start part of that today. We'll go into this a lot more, but let me show you guys something of how I actually am able to predict market moves based off looking at what price action is doing and then looking at what actual whale money flow is doing. Because if you guys can follow the big money, sometimes you're going to find that retail traders are getting trapped to the upside or downside because big money is not following price action. And it seems weird because you think, you know what, wherever, whale money goes, that's where the price goes. No, not all the time. We have a metric here that shows you guys where larger transactions are actually moving their money. And I want to prove that to you today. It's a very fascinating indicator. It is called specifically the price versus whale money flow. I'll go ahead and do a pop-up for you guys right now. You can get all these indicators in the description, the top and bottom finder, all of that. It's a great deal. I'll go over that at the end of the video. Let me educate you guys right now, though. So here's something that I like to do in the markets. I like to turn this on over here where I can see the pink line, which represents price, and then we have whale money flow represented in green here. Now, let me just for a second come over here. I'm going to take off whale money flow, and we're going to be just looking at the price relativity in the pink line here. If I come out here, and I see that we have a high in price, which is correlated to here, and we have another high up here, and we can see this up here as well. What I'm seeing is price action, as far as candle wick values, has gone from a high to a higher high. But looking down here, this makes it very simple for me to say, all right, we're at pretty much a same value, okay? The momentum, the height of this move here is relatively the same. If I turn this on here and look at whale money flow, I can then see in the same duration, we don't have a move that is equal here. We have a move that is high, money moving into the market, and whales are taking their money out. So behind the scenes, that's the interesting part, guys, here. Behind the scenes, price action is coming here. Behind the scenes, money is flowing out of the market. And what's happening here is money is dropping out right around that point because we're getting what's called divergence with whale money flow to price action. Now, let me show you something else here. Look at this move right over here where you saw the price action, make a nice move up, and then we saw the nice dip back down. That's correlated right over here. Let me take this off and show you again. Let me take off whale money flow. That is correlated to this. You've got your high in price action, and then you see the actual price moving down. Okay, we got that. Now, let's turn on and see what are whales doing in the background. They are actually coming out, and do you see what's happening here? There's actually an accumulation period happening here where they're actually buying into the market as price action is moving down. What happened after that? You started to see the market move back up here. And funny enough, look what's going on. The whales over here are actually taking money out of the market here as price action is moving up in the anticipation of the move back down. Okay, it's very interesting as you watch this. Now, let me show you guys why on this channel lately I've been calling that I believe we're going to see a move to the downside, and we're already seeing that a little bit this morning. If you take a look at this again, let me take this off here. Let me just go to price. You can see here that we're in what's called a consolidation zone. I've pretty much drawn this out for you guys, and it looks like a hot dog kind of, with a squiggly line in the middle. What we're seeing here is price action is very tight right now. But now you turn this on, you look behind the scenes, and you're like, okay, what is whale money flow doing? What are these larger transactions doing? Well, during the same duration period, what do you see? Price action, price action. We see whale money flow high, and we see it moving down here. Let's draw the lines here. We've got price action going sideways, and we've got money moving out of the market. This shows me and gives me the anticipation that big money is moving their money out, and this is probably going to, which it's already doing here, guys, trapping retail traders to the downside. So people who went long are probably already looking to get their stop losses hit, and I do think we're probably going to see a little bit of a further move down here as we've been predicting on this channel. Okay, so that is how you use the price versus well money flow and how you represent this to price, which is in pink, and how you can honestly, it sounds weird, but really spy on wells to see what are they doing in the background when price is going down and the well money flow is going up. This is usually a sign you are going to see the market increase in price. When pink line is going, let's say sideways, or it's going up and you see well money flow moving down, this is usually when price action is going to be looking to dip down into a bear market or dips down where you can see the market fall in price. It's because the market follows big money. And a lot of times, as I talked about in the beginning of this video, when you see this pattern here where price action is either leveled out or a little bit higher and money is moving out, this is where retail traders get trapped to the upside because they think, all right, we're going to the moon, we're heading up, we're heading up. No, you need to confirm your positions, guys, before you get into them to see if whales are buying into the market as well. You want me to show you how I kind of use this with the indicator up here? This is how I do this. I look for buy signals on the top and bottom finder, and then I come down here and look to see, all right, do we see price action as well as well money flow moving down in the market? Yes, that means we're coincided with both. That's good. I then use an extra confirmation and I need to see, is the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section here? And if it is, this tells me this is a extremely high confirmation. Your price action is going to head up. And if you take these trades, you're probably going to win these trades pretty fast. It's because whales are following price action. And when whales start selling into the market, you got to understand, they're going to start buying again. When price action is overextended to the downside, which is what we call oversold in the market will eventually rebound. And then you start getting a buy signal, which this is a mathematical equation to track cryptocurrency and price action. You then have what we call the trifecta of these are truly the best entries to get into the market. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy this. It's kind of like I'm giving away my secrets now to you guys. And it's not anymore like, oh, look at my win rate. Look how cool Travis is. No, on this channel, we're literally going to be giving away, and then to our members, obviously, we're going to do master classes on this. But I really want to educate you guys on how to trade these markets. Now, in order to do what I showed you guys today, just snag our indicators. I promise you guys, this will increase your trading. Just probably this video alone that you just watched will help increase your entries and exits in the market by watching what price action is doing and watching what whales are doing. Those indicators you guys want is price versus well money flow. And then you want trend exhaustion. That is actually part of what we call our bundle pack, okay? You guys are going to be getting 9 indicators total. You can see the profits people have made here in a bear market, thousands of dollars. And on top of this, we're going to do this for you guys. You're going to get the source codes, but I'm going to include a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder for you guys when you purchase the bundle pack. So snag that today. Take that $400 coupon code, click right here and enter it in at checkout. You will get $400 off. It's actually about 53% off the top and bottom finder. It is cheaper to go ahead and get the bundle pack first, use the coupon code, and buy the top and bottom finder than to buy this by itself. And you get 9 other indicators. So it's pretty cool. Snag those, set them up on your charts, guys. And remember what I taught you. When you see price action in the market moving down, and you see in the background that whales are buying in here, it is usually a sign that you're going to see the market reverse back up. And I'll, you know what, put my money where my mouth is, so to speak. I believe, based off what we're seeing here, because price action is going sideways and we see whales moving their money out, I do believe this market has a further move down here to the downside because that is what whales are doing right now. They're taking their money out of the market and we're looking for this move back down. All right, guys, I love you. I hope you got a really good education out of this. This is what Trade Confident is, educating you guys on how to use indicators and metrics to give you an advantage in the market. And I think a lot of you guys are going to like where Trade Confident's going. So subscribe, snag a membership, guys. Really amazing things. I don't really talk about this on YouTube too much. We have a huge website overhaul coming next week that will blow you guys away. So you know what? Snag a membership, get in here, and I think you guys are really going to like what we have coming out for you. And then definitely get those indicators with the coupon codes and enjoy what you learned today and apply that. And I really think you guys are going to see some increase in your guys' quality of trades and your confidence of trading. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. Until next video, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.